Recently, I got to train with Micky Ward. If you guys know Micky Ward, he is known for his body shots, Gotti trilogies. They actually made a movie about his life called The Fighter, starring Mark Wahlberg. Now, in this clip, I actually train with Micky Ward, and he takes me through how to do his famous body shot.
Again, we're gonna practice that left hook to the body, all right?
All right, that's the
All right, don't play bouncing around, just stay right there.
Okay.
I want you to tap here, like with your left foot, like, see, we're gonna be here.
All right.
Don't spread so wide, all right, right here.
All right.
You're gonna be here, you're gonna tap here, tap over, and boom. So I want you to tap here, boom, down here.
Oh,
That's
nice.
it again.
Sorry.
Tap, tap, boom, rip, boom, here, boom, tap, boom, again, tap, rip it. Dig it. Come on, dig. That's it again. Yeah. Tap up here.
Oh, tap. So
Tap, tap,
is this like a
tap.
setup?
That's to bring my elbow up.
Gotcha.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So I tap up here, you bring your elbow up here, and boom, right there.
Ah, that's the setup. Love it.
Yeah.
All right, just love it.
Don't open up now. Again. There you go, again. Tap. Again. Tap. Dig it. See, you're just using your arms right now. I want you to move it. Boom.
So really, hip.
See my legs, and like, push in, like.
It's almost like a squat. Gotcha. All right.
There you go.
Oh, shit.
All right. Dig, there you go. There you go. Again. Oh, here. There you go.
Oh, that's
what.
You gotta watch your hands, right?
Yeah, ready? Tap. Sit up.
Boom.
Tap. Dig. Dig. Come on. Tap. There you go. You know what it is too? It's not the power of it. It's the speed of it, pretty much, and it's where you land it. It's the precise, like right now, like. So you're lefty now, like. But I used to throw it with the right, like the right hook. I'd be here, tap here, and like over. Or I'd go lefty and I'd tap here. Boom.
Really?
You know what I mean? My right hand should be my strong one, being a righty, but because of the, the screws I got in there and stuff. All the years of it being like hurt and stuff, I never really like threw it much.
Really?
You know what I mean? I always do my left hook.
Is that why
That's how it left
forward
better.
like that? Really?
Yeah.
So you come in and come up from this side.
The power is like, obviously you want to have some power on it or whatever, but the speed placement and the timing of it. If you catch him when he's like breathing like in a little whatever, or just like if he's starting to breathe out, you know what I mean? Like whoa, push on it. Where he's not, stomach's not tight or whatever, you know what I mean? Yeah. Because fighting is tight in your stomach the whole fight. You don't realize it, but well, you never fought like a pro or trauma type. You fight the whole fight, your stomach pretty much tight. I don't know anyone that walks around with their belly hanging out in a fight, you know what I mean? Unless you're a fucking big heavyweight. If you're gonna do it here. Like
After this round.
you're like, you come like this. You're too square. If you're here, right? Rip here. So you're here. You know what I mean? Wow. We're here. Don't do this. You do this. It might be the karate you've done for a long time, you know what I mean? But here, you want to turn right here and not this.
Gotcha.
You know what I mean? So try that. There you go. That's it. That's it.
So you would go. So it's a.
Yeah, it's a little tap inside.
You got it, kind of?
Yep. There you go. And get out.
And then would you? So if you're ever in Massachusetts, make sure you check out Box to Burn. Those guys are awesome down there. Like, subscribe, drop a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video and you actually want to watch the full video, I mean me interviewing Micky and going over his life story from the movie to the boxing to just how he feels in general, his mindset, click right here. You just want to watch another clip, click right here, subscribe, and if you just want to watch some TV or film, click right here.